In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Cash App web login and browser issues. So if you're trying to log into the Cash App via the browser and you're not being able to do it, there might be various reasons behind it. First of all, make sure you're using the supported browser like Google Chrome, Safari, Edge, etc. Also make sure you're in the official login interface of Cash App. For that, what you have to do is make sure you've entered this link cash.app/login. After you do that, you'll be led to the official login interface of Cash App. If you're still not being able to log into your account, or if you're facing the browser issues, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache. For that, click on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen if you're using the Google Chrome. The process will vary according to the browser that you're using. Now what you have to do is simply find this option for delete browsing data and click on it. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to delete the browsing data. What you have to do is select the time period. After you do that, click on this option delete data that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while and it will be deleted. Now after it has been deleted, you can try logging into your account again. After you do that, your problem should be solved. If you're still not being able to log into your account, what you can do is simply try switching the browser. For example, I'm using the Google Chrome right now, so I'm just going to open the Microsoft Edge. If you're using other browser, you can simply switch to Google Chrome. After you do that, click on the search bar, type in cash.app/login, press enter. Now after you do that, try logging into your account and your problem should be solved. Also make sure to disable the VPNs and proxy and make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, your problem will be fixed. So that is how you fix Cash App web login and browser issues. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.